Hello YouTube, I have two best tubes installed in the board, but right now only one is connected, that is Pioneer 3000, that is 500 watt RMS best tube, okay, champion series. Pioneer TS-WX3000T to be precise, okay, only that is connected. Today here we will do the comparison. I will connect this base tube, then I will disconnect it and I will connect another 300 watt RMS base FX base tube which is of MDF box. Then I will connect both of the base tube together. I will play same track, and this is just a comparison video what kind of performance change you get by changing the base tube RMS wattage, the cabinet quality. One base tube, the Pioneer base tube, is made of cardboard, the normal base tube, and the another one is made of real wood MDF, that you can consider it as a box also, the base FX one. So now let's start the video. Okay, this is comparison video, and at the end I will connect both of them. That will make the RMS wattage of 800 watt RMS setup together. Please stay tuned for that also. That is literally shaking my steering wheel. Right now you are hearing only bass from the Pioneer bass tube. It's 500 watt RMS, 4 ohms. I am only feeding around 350 watt RMS. Just focus on sound quality. We are not here for the flex or the performance comparison. Low bass is also good in this bass tube, and there is no irritation. Okay, it's soft. I'm getting soft punch and I'm kind of enjoying it. Now I will connect the bass FX bass tube. Let me show you. Now I will disconnect this one, and I will connect this another one. So now I have connected the base FX base tube. It's made of pure wood, and I have disconnected this Pioneer one. You can say this is fiber board. Now let's have demo of this one. I'll play the same song, and thereafter I will connect both of the base tubes. Same song, same volume. It's made of wood. I am really impressed. It has wider frequency response and somewhat near or better performance. will connect both bass tubes. Okay guys. So both bass tubes are connected now. Always remove your keys whenever you are playing with the amplifier leads, so that your amplifier will be safe and you won't short anything. Now 800 watt RMS guys. Wonderful. This thing can satisfy me. So that was my comparison video guys. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, drop your comments below. Thanks for watching. Both bass tubes are good guys. One is good for the weight comparison, another is like a box because it is made of MDF. One is smooth soft bass, another one has kind of hard punch because it's in MDF enclosure, and it's a 300 watt RMS subwoofer in bass effects bass tube I'm talking about, and it is 300 watt RMS, so it's designed to be punchy. The higher RMS wattage you go, the lesser punch you get because they are slow subs and they send the soft notes, and actually that is good bass. Okay, that is the real low frequency bass. So it's depends on you. You want to be loud or gonna low, and sometimes you can have both, but you have to invest more in DD kind of stuff to go loud at the lower frequency. So that was my video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, live loud.